Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to look at column offsetting. Column offsetting is a simple concept within Bootstrap. It allows you to move columns and elements to the right. That's essentially what it is doing. And column offsetting is done using the same numbering and screen size system as we have used to actually specify the width of the column. So let me just go onto our web page. So we've got this, and on the medium screen size, each element is 4, 4, 4. So imagine if I wanted this green element in the position of the blue element, and I wanted the blue element in the position of the green element, but on a separate line. Yes, I could add an empty div with a column width of what the green element is at the moment in between the red and the green, and do the same for the blue and the green as well, and that will simulate essentially what we're trying to do. But we don't want to do that. One, it's a lot more code than is needed, and it's not as efficient as using CSS, which Bootstrap has provided. So to do it, we get the element that we want to move to the right, because we're going to leave this as it is. We're moving this one to the right. So we go here, you can put it wherever you want within this class section. Do col dash screen size, so md dash offset dash 4. Now if I save this, refresh, and as you can see, this has moved right 4 grid spaces, and now this is on a separate line. Watch what happens if I set this to 2, refresh. This has moved to the left a little bit, but this is still on a separate line. The reason for that is Bootstrap, as we've said before, has 12 grid spaces per line, and we've got 4 plus 4, but you still have to, you also have to factor in any offsets that you have. So we've got 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2, so we have a valuable grid spaces of 2 here, but the next element is of size 4, therefore it's on the next line. So I'm going to set this back to 4, and like I said, we also want this in the center, so essentially under that gap. So it's going to look quite cool. So to do that, you just do col dash md dash offset dash 4, refresh, and there you go. That is one nice looking website. No, it ain't, I'm just joking, but that's how you offset columns. So let's show you what happens if I resize it back to a bigger size. And you might be looking and thinking, ooh, what the hell is happening, because it shouldn't look like that, because we've put MD. But remember, as I said in a early video, anything to do with columns like column dash MD, column dash SM bubbles up unless it has its own offset or size for a bigger screen size. So if I were to go to this, start resizing it, so this is medium. So now on small, the offset isn't getting applied simply because we don't have an offset applied for small, and the MD offset is larger, medium is larger than small, hence it's not being applied to it, because like I said, it only bubbles up, it doesn't bubble down in terms of screen width. So to fix this, we just want to do col dash screen sizes that we don't want to offset for dash lg dash offset dash 0. That's all we got to do, and this make sure there is no offset. I'm going to change this to Excel, paste it here, paste this on here, change this to Excel, save this bad boy, refresh, and now if I resize it, as you can see, on the extra large screen size, they're next to each other, and that is a size of 2, so 2, 2, 2. If I start resizing, this is large, and this is, I believe, 3, so 3, 3, 3. But if I resize it down to medium, the offset gets applied. But if I resize it down to small and extra small, no offset is applied, because again, nothing bubbles down, it only bubbles up. So that's offsetting columns. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. there'll be a link in the description to that, plus there'll be another link to this source code, so check that out as well. If you're having any issues, please rate, comment and subscribe, and as usual, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.